Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. The book is dash the shelf. A in, B at, C on, D under. Answer is C on. I can't find my keys. I think I dash them at home. A leave, B have left, C left, D leaves. Answer is B have left. Dash the weather is nice. We will go for a walk. A although, B because, C since, D but. Answer is A although. She dash a book when I called her. A reading, B reads, C was reading, D read. Answer is C was reading. The bus will arrive dash 10 minutes. A on, B at, C in, D for. Answer is C in. He is dash intelligent to solve complex problems. A to, B so, C very, D much. Answer is A to. The concert was dash that we couldn't hear the music. A so loud, B very loud, C too loud, D quite loud. Answer is C too loud. The cat is hiding dash the bed. A on, B at, C in, D between. Answer is C in. I have dash seen that movie. A never, B ever, C always, D sometimes. Answer is A never. I am interested dash learning new languages. A on, B in, C at, D with. Answer is B in. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.